Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, July 16th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Litecoin, ticker symbol LTCUSD. We'll analyze recent news and technical chart data to determine potential future price movements. Litecoin has been quite active lately, so let's dive in. Recent news indicates positive developments, including Litecoin breaking all-time highs for total Litecoin and MWB addresses. This indicates a positive development, and we'll consider how it relates to recent price action. Let's begin with the one-day chart. Looking at the broader picture, we can see Litecoin's price movements over the past several months. From March 2024 to July 2025, we observe periods of volatility and consolidation. Notably, around late March 2024, there was a significant price surge, followed by a correction. Then in December 2024, the price surged to 139, but swiftly crashed. This area may be of interest in terms of future resistance. Currently, we are seeing a price around 73.00 after a recent surge. If we consider that the recent news from Twitter indicated broke all-time high for total Litecoin and MWB addresses, it could suggest that people are moving LTC to be available in these type of addresses, though we would expect this to possibly not cause a surge of buying, but could cause people to hold, which is still helpful for price action. Now, let's narrow our focus to a recent section of the daily chart, specifically from May 15, 2025 to today. We see a period of relative stability hovering around the 80s, followed by the surge to our current level of 73. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see the more recent price action with greater detail. A possible resistance level is around 74.15, which could be difficult to break. Let's examine the last few days. Looking at the last few days, the price has been struggling around 72 to 74 after it surged up to that area. It's unclear whether it will continue downwards, remain sideways, or break to higher levels. Finally, let's zoom into the 15-minute chart for a short-term perspective. The 15-minute candles are tightly ranged after a surge. The price is showing some minor pullback over the last few hours. It is forming a slight downtrend on the 15-minute chart, though these trends can change very quickly. It could be argued this is also a bullish flag, depending on what indicators and time frame you're looking at. To recap, we've analyzed Litecoin's price action across different time frames, considering recent news about increased MWB addresses. Key price levels to watch out for are the 74.15 resistance and previous surge high of 139. While the news is good, the chart shows little in terms of buy pressure. Long-term predictions show good potential, but the short term is hard to predict with a definitive bias. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. As always, trade responsibly, and we'll see you in the next video.